Hello, how are you? ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y usted?
Bien, bien. ¿De dónde eres?
Colombia.
Colombia. ¿Dónde?
¿Usted? Pereira.
Pereira. Ah, okay. Hello YouTube, we are here in El Tunco, the beach area in El Salvador, which is about 40 minutes away from San Salvador. So we just parked right there, and the parking cost about, is that $1 to park here? $3. Okay, $3. So see that this is like the little parking area that they have in this location here. It's an area that, you know, the real name is called El Tunco, and they're changing the name. They're trying to change it to Surf City. And based on some of the internet research that I've done, they call it the Surfer's Paradise. Okay, so this is the part of, you know, El Salvador that you may not be familiar with. I certainly didn't know that El Salvador had such an amazing coastline. So we're gonna take a look at the water here soon, but I'm hearing great things about it so far. And got murals here on the wall. I want to mention also that El Salvador is the only country in Central America that does not have a Caribbean side. Okay, so it's also the smallest country in Central America. So the small interesting facts about this place. We walk into a place. Hey guys, are we trying to go eat first, or we're going to eat first? So I'm here with Tim from Las Vegas. Tim, Billy Don, the one and only, and Oswald, the man of what, 65 countries? 65 countries. That's a great thing, man. Some people have never been to more than one. They never even left the county.
Everybody is born. See, America is like 50 different countries.
America is like 50 different countries?
Yeah, it's just 50 different countries.
Yeah.
Each one is unique. They got one government.
Every state, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, as you can see, this is a nice, interesting town out here. We're getting closer and closer to where we're gonna go eat. I'm assuming you guys know where we're going, right?
Yeah. You take the one that we went to?
Yeah, because they've been here so many times. They like it, so it's my first time here. Look how packed, you know? But when I say El Salvador, is that what you were thinking about? I certainly wasn't. I never seen this place on any of my research. I didn't know. It was yesterday that they told me Tunco.
El Tunco, yeah.
Is where it's at. Surf City, guys.
All the major competition they have here.
All the what?
The major surf competition.
All the major surf competition take place here, huh? All right. And Oswald, he's always on his own program. So like if you don't watch out, next thing you know, he's missing. Yeah. We did a tour. We did a tour the other day, and he was missing in action so quickly.
Oh yeah, I bought all my shirts.
You don't like these? They got a Nike here.
So we're taking a look. This is a little beach store here. You see what's going on. Wow. Little magnets. Hola. You know. I collect this, so I might have to grab one of these things before we leave. Nice magnets here. Wow, okay. It's very, very sunny here and humid.
Yeah, it is.
It's very humid. I can feel the difference between here and San Salvador.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And given the seasons, you can come here basically anytime, right?
Sakwase, kumoye, kumoye.
All day long.
Sac
It's
out
gonna
there.
rain for a part of
I'm
the
in
day
Al-
and then it goes back to
I'm in El Salvador. I'm in El
Okay.
Salvador. One of my
Nice.
cousins. Talking my Haiti, one of my cousins called. But he was
El Tunco. So I see a shirt with like crypto investing over there. El Salvador accept bitcoins as the legal tender.
Yeah, they do.
They do, right? I don't know if there's another country that does, but they're certainly among the first to accept Bitcoin as the legal tender. So you have US dollars and then you have Bitcoins. Those are your two options. And this is a small little boutique hotel. Wow, ocean view, everything. So what do you like about this place the most, Don?
El Tunco or El Salvador?
El Tunco.
The vibe. It's like a hippie type vibe. Everybody's laid back, relaxed. It's real kick back.
Yeah.
It's a real, I don't know, it's real relaxing, chill. You can see everything is chill and relaxing.
Yeah.
I mean, I ain't gonna say and tell you it's the best beach I ever been to, as far as the way it looks.
Yeah.
But definitely is a good vibe here, and it's definitely worth coming to check out.
Right.
So we're gonna make our way to this little restaurant. Get some.
Can you say El Salvador? This is not what people think about.
No, they don't think about this.
like that, or we can just
So they have what, black sand? Is that what's going on here?
Yeah, you see it.
Okay. All right. Wow, look at this view.
Right there.
Man, guys, you see that? That is cray. I've never.
Around the other day, I was out here, I was getting tossed around like nothing.
Wow, look at the sand. It's black sand.
Further down, they'll see a surf competition.
The main attraction right here, this little.
Man, what is this called? Is there a name for this place? Right here.
actually the rock. Why it's called El Tunco? Because it looks like a pig upside down.
Man.
Like the little legs and everything. That's
Yeah.
why they call it El Tunco. And that's like the biggest landmark of the place.
Okay, so Tunco means what exactly?
It's a Salvadorian slang word for a pig.
Pig. Tunco is a pig.
It's a pig.
And this looks
Yeah.
like a pig upside down.
like an upside down pig.
Wow. Man. Guys, you hear that? It looks like an upside down pig. Like that's the head over there and then that's the legs. So that's this is the reason why they call this place El Tunco, which is pig. In Spanish, I mean in I don't know if it's Spanish or in Salvadorian. Lingo. Actually, let me find that out right now. Is pig in Spanish Tunco, or is it just a term here in El Salvador?
It's a term that it's used here in El Salvador.
In El Salvador. And how do you say pig in Spanish?
Cerdo.
Cerdo.
That is like the standard word.
For
but
pig.
in El Salvador, we use, like in slang, we say tunco.
Tunco, okay. So you see, guys, it's pretty cool. You know, this view. Complete black sand. You know? Complete black sand. This restaurant where we are is actually attached to a hotel. So that's the hotel right there. And you see they have the swimming pool here. Very nice. And then the smaller one right here. You know? So let's see. If you want to stay over here in El Tunco, let me try to find out what is the name of the hotel. So the hotel is called Roca Sunzal Beach Hotel and Dining. Okay, so this is the hotel, guys. You know, it's like right by the beach, connected to everything, and you can just chill over here, enjoy the water, and you're in a nice little beach town. But this is a good option If you want to enjoy somewhere safe and nice and clean around, you know, El Salvador. Like I said, I repeat, this is about 45 minutes away. It's not far at all. You know, it's a nice little drive, and it's a very cool and, you know, chill spot, you know, to come and hang with your friends right here. You know, I am pleasantly surprised about this place. Really, it's very nice, very nice.
Just trying to get along, hang around.
Tennis jam right here.
Tennis jam,
Let's
tennis jam.
go tennis jam.
All right.
Let's go tennis jam.
Finalizamos.
Is this the place?
Coco? Taco? That's it right there.
People are chilling here. It's nice.
Right?
Yeah, the one right there.
Hey, what's up? Hola.
Hey, Viva El Salvador, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Washington, D.C.
All right.
Where you're from? LA. Oh man, that's what's up. LA in the house.
I used to live in Hollywood back in the day.
I see it. And we have security here.
Yeah.
Wow, these guys don't play around. Man, they're not playing.
Something happened.
Yeah, there's a lot of police over here, man. Wow.
That's the beach right here.
So we are approaching this area with a lot of music here. So you can see all these people just enjoying the beautiful view of the ocean. And it's really nice because it's such a bright sunny day. But I have to say, it's quite humid out here right now. You know, it's a little bit humid right now, and it's difficult to, you know, just find a spot in the shade, man, because all the best places. Oh, okay, we found the table, I think. We found the table. We finally found the table.
What do you guys think?
In the shade.
In the shade, right?
We are already kissed by the sun, so we need the shade.
How you doing? How you doing?
So guys, we found a nice little table over here. We're gonna sit down. But check out this pool though.
And all that. This thing get packed.
Man,
This thing get packed.
enjoying the water here. And then you have a top section. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Man, this is alright. It's a nice little spot though. What's the name of this place, Don?
I don't know the name of it. They might know the name. What's the name of this place?
Hello, how are you?
How you doing? How you doing?
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y usted?
Bien, bien. ¿De dónde eres?
Colombia.
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 ¿Dónde?
¿Usted? Pereira.
Pereira. Ah, okay. So guys, we're here chilling right now. We finally found a table. I'm here with Tim.
What's up, guys?
Again.
Just out here chilling.
We're here chilling. You been here before?
Man, this is my first time.
First time. What do you think about it so far?
I'll be back. Like I left my car keys. Man, we out here. This is beautiful here.
Outstanding, outstanding. Yeah, this is a good spot, man. And it's underground. Many people don't know about this place yet.
Yeah, you know the Spanish over there. That's over there.
What's that?
You know Spanish, right?
Why don't you speak Spanish, my
can't
man?
speak. I'm trying to
Man, you've been
learn.
traveling too much not to speak Spanish. What's your excuse?
I translate everything. Like,
He's
I'm
been-
here, but I'm not really here.
He comes to Colombia more than me. He should know. He should speak Spanish.
I try, but I give it up, man. I'm hoping to learn this shit.
I'm wilder.
¿Primera vez por acá o qué? ¿Primera vez por acá no? Para él no.
They're okay for now.
Ella sí, primera vez. ¿Y qué tal? ¿Les gusta? ¿Les gusta? Like it? You like it? You like it?
Oh, sí, mucho. Pero Colombia es mejor. Sí.
Muércoles y yo regreso para Medellín. Miércoles, sí, sí.